will be attached to the existing skid plate. We'll attach it to the side, and you just tighten it down. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to weld the bolt to the side of the skid plate. So the actual dimension of the 3D printed wheels are the bearing diameter. I'm using these 608 bearings. They're these skateboard bearings. So yeah, the bearing diameter, the drawn diameter, the one that I sketch up, is 22 millimeter. The actual wheel diameter is 40 millimeter. And by the time you finish printing it, it has shrunk a little to the bearing diameter shrunk to 21.2, and the wheel diameter shrunk to 39.4. So you have to be aware of that. But that's actually a good thing when it shrinks a little, when the plastic shrinks, so you can press your bearing in there. Otherwise the bearing will be loose inside the plastic. And in order to make it fit, you're wondering why I'm in front of the stove or range, I'm gonna just heat up the bearing and then just press it in there before I insert it. I can see a little smoke. That means it should be hot enough. And tilt it while you are doing this, and then just press it in there. So now I made the wheels, and I have a spare tire in case something happens. Try not to breathe in any of those fumes. The nut is, or the bolt is galvanized, so it's not pretty, but it ought to do the trick. I'm attaching the shear bolts to the frame here, so I can always have access to the shear bolts when I need to, instead of looking for them. This, by the way, is my friend JK on YouTube. He made a video on this, and I have just finished mounting the roller wheels on the skid plate there. See, it will start. Prime it a few times, set the choke. Today is about 40 degrees. It's pretty cold. So let's see. Okay, it seems to be running now. Thanks for watching.